kuphele nyanga Piti ngehla kuyenyuka Njalo kuze phele
First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is FxFFT, man. If you don't know me, I've been sharing signals ever since I've been trading. It's been a while right now, trading forex, and it's amazing how I got a lot of people coming in during this lockdown. And it's amazing, guys, because the only job not affected in this whole lockdown is only forex traders job. So basically, I'm going to share with you this nice strategy which is very profitable. So let's get down to it, guys. Okay fine, guys. All you need to do is have this setting on your chart. All right, no indicators involved. You just need to have this setting on your chart, which is this one, show period separators. After having that on, you're going to see these lines on your chart. Okay, that's the first step. All right, these lines represent the starting and the ending of a new day every single day. Okay, so that's how we're actually going to trade. So the second step, you need to shift your chart from what do you call this, from 5 minutes to at least 1 hour time frame. All right, that's the second step. The third step that you need to do now, you're going to have your chart like this, naked as fuck. All right, so this is how you're going to trade. The third step, you're going to highlight the candlestick, the above side and the low side of the first hour. So this is 12-foot lock candlestick, meaning that you wait for 12-foot lock candlestick to complete, and then you highlight the above side and the low side of the candlestick, including its wick. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, fine, I included the wick right here. So what you're waiting for, once this is done, after 12, this candlestick will be on point to start. Now you're going to put pending orders 2 pips above and 2 pips below, or you can use 5 pips, either use 10 pips, either use 15. It is up to you. Backtest the strategy, see how it works, and fucking kill the market. So now here we go. Once you highlighted this candlestick, what you're waiting for right now is a breakout out of this candlestick, out of this little zone of yours. This is your resistance for the day, this is your support for the day. All right, so now you wait for breakout. This breakout is going to touch your pending order for a sell. If the market breaks the above side, it's going to touch your pending order for buy. So this is what you do. You're having a pending order, same lot this side and same lot that side, going opposite. This, the above one, above your resistance, which I will definitely change color right now to put at least in black. Okay, you're going to buy when it breaks this line. Immediately once it crosses, it's going to get your pending order about here. It's going to open it for a buy. So where is the stop loss for this trade? You're going to put your stop loss just below this order right here. So to analyze this day, same applies to this order right here. You're going to have your stop loss right about there. Okay, so this is what will happen, guys. You're going to have a breakout. If we don't win this side for sell, it's going to hit our stop loss and open our buy position, and then we're going to take at least 50 pips and exit. 50 pips strategy, simple. We exit. All right, so let's see if the strategy works. In this case, looking right here, what you can do, guys, after the market reversed to touch your stop loss and open another order, you're going to shift your stop loss from right here for this buy position that we were having here. You're going to put it just below the turning point of the market. After this fake move, we call this fake move, you're going to put your stop loss right about here, and then wait for play out. Okay, let's see, let's backtest this strategy. Okay guys, now let's backtest this strategy. Okay, this is how the strategy works, guys. You're gonna have like this going on. Like I said, here's our chart. We highlight the high, we highlight the low. Okay, so in this case the market broke to the upside and I bought with my pending order right about here for a buy. Where is my stop loss? I'm going to place my stop loss below this area, right? Let me put a red below this area with a sell pending order. Okay, why am I going to put stop loss for this sell pending order? Where the market would have turned, in this case I'm going to place my sell stop. I'm going to shift it from here to right about here, the new turning point. But in this case I would have collected my profits, I guess. It is enough for me to can take my profits. Yes, it is. So the strategy can actually give you about 80 to 40 pips, even 50 pips tops. So here's a breakout to the downside, to the upside, failed, and then I exit the trade. This was my losing day. This was my losing day from here. Looking at this, it broke to the downside and broke to the upside, came back to touch my stop loss again. So I'm out for the day. The market will range. This is what the market did. And then here's another day. It went for a buy and then failed for a sell. And then my stop loss, I shifted the stop loss to this area. Let me move this one to here and see if it was hit. And then I went into massive profits. Following day I do the same thing. Here's the day highlighted. Here's my stop loss for this trade with a pending order going for a sell. Okay, you don't forget that, because we put a buy pending order above and a sell pending order below. So in this case I'm going to shift my stop loss. I was going to shift my stop loss right about this area if I did not take my profits, and then this is what I got for the day. So normally you don't lose with the strategy if you use the strategy properly with some good risk management. So if you can see right about here, boom, we had a sell going on which failed to be a buy, and then here's our take profit. Look, some massive deep profits, boom, just like that. And then let's see again, we had this nice little day going on for a buy and then went for a sell to take us out right here. This was a losing day. We expect the day to range. So we go into the following day, we do the same thing. Break to the upside, stop loss right about here with a sell pending order. If the market hit my sell stop, my sell pending order and my stop loss, I'm going to shift this stop loss from here for the sell to the new turning point of the market. In this case my stop loss would have been shifted to this area above here, and my entry point would have been here with a pending order for a sell, where my stop loss was for a buy position that we took first. So here's how the day played, and we milked. So I can go on and on and on. The strategy is also superb. Is the what you call intraday strategy modified. So the strategy is free, guys. I just want to say thank you to everyone who've been following me ever since. The journey been nice, man, and I like how we actually tending to be profitable with the rest of the community, with the rest of my free community and my VIP team. So I hope you also become profitable from this short video that I created for you guys. Peace.